Hello, I'm Attorney Shaun Marks, and today I want to talk to you about expungement, or setting aside or removing a conviction off of your criminal record. So if you've had a conviction on your record, then you may be burdened by that conviction in a lot of different ways. It can cause problems with showing up on a background check, for employment, for housing. Can affect your ability to own and possess a firearm. Can affect your ability to vote. So there's a lot of things that can burden or consequence that you suffer in your life as a result of a criminal conviction. Fortunately, the law allows, in some cases, a process for that conviction to be removed off of your record, and we call that expungement, or setting aside a conviction. Now, you can't just do it because you want to. You have to qualify, and in order to qualify, there are certain eligibility requirements. First, no life offense or any offense that is punishable by up to life imprisonment is eligible to be expunged. Also, most sex crimes are not eligible for expungement or setting aside off of your record. In addition, no traffic offense or anything that shows on your driving record is eligible to be expunged. So if you've got a DUI or an OWI or something like that, or a more serious traffic criminal offense, that's not eligible to be removed off of your record. One of the other eligibility requirements is you have to wait at least 5 years since the date of conviction, or if you were sentenced to probation or parole, you have to wait at least 5 years from being discharged from probation or parole. Additional eligibility requirements are you can only remove one felony off of your record if you've had no more than 2 other misdemeanors. If you've not had a felony and you've had no more than 2 misdemeanors, then you are eligible to ask the courts to remove both of those misdemeanors. So those are the eligibility requirements. What is the effect if you're able to get a judge to set this aside and remove it off of your record? Well, the effect is that you're considered to not have been convicted of that offense. It's maintained as a non-public record, so it won't show up in any employment background check, housing background check, anything for public purposes. Now, it would be maintained as a judicial record for if you ever get in trouble again in the future. The police, the courts, judges, probation officers would have access to that, and they would know that you had a prior conviction that was expunged or removed off of your record. If you got further questions on it, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about the expungement process and how we can get a conviction off of your record. Thanks for watching.